Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. First take the hairs, divide it like this after tying it. Now make the plaits and fold it upward and roll it around like this. After rolling it, press the hairs in the between and fix it and it's ready. Next tie a ponytail. Now rotate the hairs. Now divide it from the between, fold it and make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and rotate it. Now divide the hairs like this and make the plaits like this in the between by taking the hairs from the sides. Fix it properly, roll it if you want and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now take another section of the hairs and fix it on the left side. Now keep following these steps and fix them on the alternative sides. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits. Fold them and fix it on the alternative side and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits or make a ponytail and fix it upward like this using the bun pin and your bun is ready. Next, take the hairs and tie it like this by leaving small sections in the front. Now make the plaits on the sides and in the between, make the plaits like this after dividing it. Now tie all the section of the hairs, fold it and fix it. Now take the hairs from the front and roll it around the bun and it's ready. Next, take the hairs like this and then make the plaits from the sides. Take the hairs from the sides and join it. Now make the plaits on all the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides, roll it like this to make a bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. After that, take this bun pin and fix the hairs. Now roll it down. After that, tie it from the bottom and fix it to make a bun like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits. After that, fix it around the bun by rolling it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it in the between and fix it like this by spreading the hairs. Tie it by making the plaits, roll it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide it from the between and then rotate the hairs. Fix it by folding it upward. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits like this. Fix it by dividing the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Rotate it properly and fix it and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the back like this. Now rotate it. After that, tie all the hairs. Divide it from the between, roll it upward and fix it using the bun pin. After that, take the hairs from the front and make the plaits on it and fix it around the bun like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and then rotate it like this. Put this hair clip. Now tie the hairs by taking small section and fix it inside the clip one by one. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Tie it from the top, fix it and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching our video.